Writing a strong offer is crucial in today's market, and I'm going to share a few tips and tricks along the way of what it takes to actually succeed, win the listing. Take a look at this video and let me know what you think. So this morning, I have actually received a very cool email from Semper Home Loans that I'm going to be passing down below if you want to take a look at it. So I just wanted to kind of discuss it. This is free verse, just kind of opened it up, thought it was cool. I wanted to make a video and just kind of describe the process really quick with everybody. So Semper Home Loans, as many of you know, is our number one lending partner that we work with at Rovi Homes. Peter Pfister and his team work tremendous things and deals for us, tremendous amount of deals for us, and they do work magic for us as well. We've had clients that couldn't get approved with anybody else. Semper Home Loans came in there and saved the deal. We had clients that were all the way to the closing table and another lender had failed them. They closed the deal. Semper Home Loans also offers us one of the best ways to write our offers, in a sense that are saying that with writing an offer to the next client, if our client goes through Semper Home Loans, Semper will guarantee the seller $5,000 if the deal does not go through. Now, what other lender will actually do that for a client, to offer such a bold statement and saying that we've pre-approved them, we've pretty much pre-underwritten them, we have everything that is needed so long as nothing changes on the buyer's end, this deal will go through to the finish line, or the seller gets a $5,000 check. Now, how does that stand out from other offers that other agents or other clients, other sellers would be receiving from people offering on their house? So another thing that Semper Home Loans came out with, super cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. Basically, they are offering an appraisal gap coverage on the house. As many of us know, there's a change in the market. The value of the homes continue to rise, but the amount people are willing to pay for them kind of decreases as the seasons go. So if there's not a lot of demand in the market, like currently for us here in Florida, a lot of our northern partners, a lot of our northern clients have gone back home. A lot of people down here are on vacation. They're not out purchasing as much. That's why we see a lot of our listings, even to the high-end extent that we put them to market, they might not be as not viewable, but they don't have as many views as you would expect to be in a normal market per se. So right now we're seeing a lot less people active. However, with that, there's a lot of appraisers are appraisers. They're non-biased. They're supposed to be there to just put a non-biased opinion on the sale of a house. And yet some people, of course, will write whatever they want, or the appraiser comes back and let's just say the home comes in less. So I'm just going to read through this article really quick. I think this is amazing. It's very short. I'll explain it somewhat and I'll just leave it at that because I want to share this with everybody. Come out with a bold statement. We're de-stressing the home buying process. Safeguard your dream home with appraisal gap coverage. Now, what is the gap? I'm going to explain this very simply in terms of with a gap, appraisal gap coverage, basically stating that, I'm just going to read it. As you know, the appraised value brings a big role in the financing process when purchasing a home. If the appraisal comes in lower than the purchase price, it can cause some issues for the client. It might have to come up with more money out of pocket, renegotiate the price, or even risk the deal falling through. We've seen this thousands of times. I've had to negotiate the price down on homes in certain markets, especially when the listing just goes live recently. It's very tough to negotiate the price down because if the home sold really quickly as soon as it hit the market, well, then what are the chances that they're just going to put it back on the market and it's just going to catch another buyer? And or what if there's other offers on the table? What if you're not the only one, but you got chosen and now it came in low and you really want the house, but you can't get an extra $25,000, $30,000 to cover that appraisal gap? What happens then? So with Semper Safeguard, they're covered. It helps protect their investment by providing the funds to fill the gap between the appraised value and the purchase price. That's why the deal can proceed without any unexpected financial stress. Amazing stuff. Their rate, their loan amount, their payment would all be the same. Now that's pretty incredible. So here Huge deal. And of course, I don't know. Well, I guess actually it does show us how much it costs, and it's very awesome, realistically. So if the purchase price comes in at $500,000 and the appraised value is $425,000, that's a $75,000 difference in appraisal gap. Now, keep in mind, the home's values can remain high. What people are willing to pay for them can remain high or even a little lower, but the appraisal value, what the banks deem the house is worth, is a little different than what you're willing to pay for it. So in some cases, $75,000 difference down to $3,320. I would buy that in a heartbeat just for some peace of mind. Roll that into my payments, get an extra couple bucks a month just for that safe peace of mind knowing that I got the property. It's as you can tell, I got really excited when this thing came out this morning, especially from the sense that I know that we write some of the best offers out there. The way we structure them, the way that we secure them, the way that we ensure our offers. And now this, knowing that my clients have that next level, I forgot the word, advantage into buying their dream home. This is nuts. So terms of Semper Safeguard, the loan calculation assumes a 740 credit score, $500,000 purchase price with a fixed rate loan at 20% down payment. If the down payment is less than 20%, mortgage insurance will be required. That's obvious. Safeguard will pay up to 1% towards the borrower's paid mortgage insurance fee. Good. The borrower will be required to pay the difference of the 1% contribution calculated at the time of closing. Totally fine. These mortgage insurance rates are not guaranteed and subject to change. This is not a blah, 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 blah. Needless to say, this is one of the best articles that I have received. Now, Peter Pfister is such an amazing guy. He comes down here, hangs out with us when he comes down in Florida. We have such a great time together, but he runs one of the best top-notch real estate mortgage teams out there. They've been, like I said, able to work magic for us. They've been able to do things that others can't. They've also been able to rate or meet or beat certain rates. But most importantly, it's that security knowing that you're with a strong team, that you will get to the closing table. I also want to end this video by saying if you do have a lender that you're currently working with, any kind of partners, that title company, inspector, anybody that you're working with, by all means, feel free to continue using them. We just like to use what is best and what has been proven to us. The people that we've been working with have just proven themselves successful over the years. So if you're looking for a house down here in sunny Sarasota, Florida, we would do everything from Punta Gorda all the way to Parrish. We'd be more than happy to help you, whether it's a new construction, whether you're looking for a resale, home in a golf community, on the water, anywhere that you might find comfortable. Or if you're looking to sell your property, I'd love to share with you what it is that we do differently for our clients that nets them the most amount of money for their property, utilizing the best technology, media. We own our own media company, runs our ads throughout the United States. That's why our listings tend to sell for higher and faster than our competition. If you want more info on that, I will have my phone number down below somewhere. Otherwise, reply to my email, reach out to me. You guys all have my contact info. Much love, and look forward to helping as many people as I can.